about to make me a quick breakfast. Today I'm going to be trying the orange cranberry biscuits from WILDGRAIN. I already opened it. And then I already got my oven ready. This is how they look. I've never had anything like this, like biscuits with fruit in them. We finna see how these taste. Smells good. I can definitely smell the orange. And then I got some sausage from my grandma's house. She let me have the rest. And I have my eggs already mixed up, seasoned with cheese. These biscuits are about to take 25 to 30 minutes. Here's the instructions. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in and then I'll come back. All right, so this is how the biscuits are looking. I just made 2 because it's only me eating. I definitely wasn't gonna be able to eat 6. So this is how they're looking so far. Okay. Look very pretty and they smell so good. All right, here's my little breakfast. Got the biscuits. They look so pretty. Sausage. This I like my sausage, okay? Nice and brown. And my eggs. Let's try this biscuit together. I'm kind of scared. I did put some butter on top. Hold on. This is actually really good. I want some more. Like 6 is not enough. I should have got 2 packs. They should have sent me 2 packs of these. Bro. This is really good. Like, this is not sponsored at all. And they were kind enough to send me this box. Bro, this is so good. If you didn't watch the unboxing video of me cooking the same Alfredo, I think you don't know the link. But if you are interested in purchasing a box, I'll make sure I put the link down below. Bro, these are so freaking good. And the first 50 people to sign up using my link will get $10 off of their first box and a free thing of croissants. I gotta go. This is about to be gone, okay? I'm about to eat this up. These biscuits are amazing. So cold out here. It is cold out here. It is currently 5:30. I'm just getting outside. I was in the house trying to get my cut the jabs off. Okay, there we go. What was I saying? I was in the house trying to get my bet ready for the game tonight. I think it's gonna be a good night for betting. I need my heat up. It's freezing, but I do want to get outside and make some money because it says it's busy right now. So it says it's very busy. So I'm about to go down by the restaurants and turn on my DoorDash and Uber Eats and see if we can do a couple orders and make some good money. I'm sorry, y'all gonna have to hear this because it is cold. I'm just gonna take out along with me tonight. I don't know how long I'm gonna be out. I want to record another video. I think it's something different, but either way, I'm finna take y'all along with me, okay? So enjoy the ride. Why is he speeding through the parking lot like that? Dang. Hope he gets his destination. Got our first order. Literally just pulled up and got a little ding on my phone. This one is $6.50. It should be up on the screen. because I cannot remember the miles. It's not that far though, and she got 3 items. I'm gonna go in there in a few minutes. It says pick up by 5:47, and they pretty slow in here. It might be done, but I'm gonna still give it a couple minutes. I'm gonna actually turn my car off. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a couple minutes because it may be done, but they are slow. I have so much to do, y'all. Like, I gotta retwist my hair so I can have it fresh. It's a busy Friday. Like, I was chilling all morning. I chilled morning, afternoon. Now it's nighttime, and we're gonna make some money, and then we're gonna make some more money, and then I'm gonna chill. We got the food. It was ready when I went in there. Let's go ahead and confirm pickup. 5 minutes away. Let's go drop this off. I have my next order at Juan's, $6.50. I'm gonna go in a couple minutes, see if it's ready. What is that man doing? Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna go in a couple minutes and see if it's ready. Order is not done. I just went in there and checked. She said that it's gonna take 10 more minutes, so I'm about to just message her. But if I get something better, then I might cancel this. I can't really afford to cancel stuff on DoorDash because in the past I was canceling the orders because they were taking forever. So my percentage is like in between right now. Hi, just wanted to let you know your order is still being prepared. Will be to you soon. Make sure there's no typos. I hate typos. I'm gonna go back in there in 10 minutes. So at 6:44, I guess, I'll go back in there and check. We got the food. Finally, it is 6:49 right now. Let's confirm. So it definitely took longer than 10 minutes, but it is what it is. 5 minutes away from the drop off. And it says, please do not ring the doorbell. So yes, I don't have to see this lady. It's always great when you don't have to talk to folks. So I got my next order back at Juan's. This one is saying $11. It is a little high in mileage, but this will put us over 20. Yeah, this will put us over 20. So I just decided to do it, and I don't mind the driving because I'll be on the back road, so it's not that many lights. I think I have to go through like, what, like 3 lights if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I'm about to go in there and see if it's ready. I've been sitting here for about 5 minutes, so hopefully it's done. I think it's on like 4 items. When I walked in, so that order actually went up to 14. I thought I was recording when I was dropping it off, but I didn't hit the button. So yeah, I'm glad I took that one. I'm about to get some light action. Like, look at this house. It's so pretty. Oh, I love this time of the year just to see all the beautiful houses. I can't wait to get my own house and like decorate. I just love decorations and stuff. It's so pretty. Boat right there. This is the house I just dropped off to. One. Oh shit. Got my next order. This is Saraba's. I think it said 11.75 and it was like 7.7 miles. Did not want to sit any longer. So probably only sitting for like 2 minutes. Didn't want to sit any longer, so I accepted this order. Crazy thing is, it's literally going back up by my house. I went to my grandma's house so I could eat some food. It was so good, guys. So freaking good. So she also gave me some food. So I got a thing of chicken wings. Some, don't mind the box, but I got some popcorn shrimp. Ground beef. And she gave me these potato wedges and onions. So I could eat these with my breakfast or dinner. And then some vegetables. We got some cut green beans, 4 of these. And then 6 things of sweet peas. And then I'm going to be making some cornbread when I make my chili. So I got 2 packs of cornbread. I already have 1 pack. I think my boo had brought it over here, and it's honey. So all I really needed was 1, but she told me to take both of them. And then she gave me some eggs. So I'm actually gonna take the 2 that I have in here and put them with these ones. So yeah, every time I go down there, she is forever trying to get me to take some stuff. So we got some extra food. And now I'm about to go ahead and get myself together. I'm about to, I guess, re-twist my hair. About to film another video, and that video will be up before this one. So make sure you go check it out. It's something different. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't feel like filming that video, but like I said, I'm trying to stay on track, stay focused, so I had to film something. Bruh, I don't feel like it though. I really don't. But we're gonna get it done. It shouldn't take me too long to film. It probably will though, because I have a lot to do. Like, I gotta redo my hair, I gotta retwist my hair, I gotta shave, nair, all that. So let me go ahead and get started, because it's already 10 o'clock. There's no telling when I'm gonna be done. Hopefully this won't take me no more than like 2.5 hours. We'll see. But yeah, I will see y'all later, tomorrow. I don't know.